Alright, as you can see in the title, I'm going to be doing some back testing. I'm going to try to get around 45 minutes, something like that. But yeah, I'll just start right now. The time is messed up. Market open is 4:30 on this chart. I don't know exactly why, but it was the last time I did this, and it is now. And when I was just moving here, it went ahead more than I wanted to. But basically, you can't see like way back data. But right now, I'm pretty bearish. We have this 4-hour gap here. I'm gonna try to mark out as much stuff as possible. I don't have stuff saved in the toolbar. So we rejected out of this 4-hour gap. We did sweep these 4-hour lows. We got it. We do have a good close in the 4-hour time frame. 1-hour time frame. We're still playing inside of this 1-hour gap. 15-minute. We don't have any gaps here. That's right. Oh yeah, hourly. 5-minute off market open. We kind of just wicked out these intermediate highs. Did nothing. And then wick down here. So like right now, I don't really have a condition until this is that 10 a.m. candle. Right here. Okay. Bearish there. Okay, so right there we have a move down, possibly an SMT with ES. I can't even look. We did not sweep out this internal low on the 5-minute time frame. We're still playing inside of this 15. Okay, yeah, this actually wouldn't be a bad long right here. Inside of the 15-minute gap, these 5-minute lows inside of this gap, and a clean 5-minute candle out of that. Good V-shape too. I don't know the risk on this. And I also don't know how to set a stop loss, so it's kind of going to suck here, but we inverse this gap. I don't even know how to put gaps on here. Okay, right here. We inverse this 5-minute gap in the 5-minute time frame. Long stop loss would be probably at this body low, strong displacement, and then targeting this 930 high. I would partial at this high right here, and then instantly go break even. Wish I should flip to the 1-minute time frame. So off the bat, we just instantly inverse the 1 minute again. Okay, so stopped out. Okay, I'll look for re-entries here, see if we just want to resweep lows. Okay, we just resweep these lows. This is honestly a good re-entry. Good re-entry. Stop loss would be at these body lows again, probably even a little tighter. Targeting the same spot, more LR, TP here, and then more full take profit at this high. Honestly, on this, I would take a little partial here and then hold more. But okay, so off the bat, 2 L's. See if anything plays out the rest of the day. Okay, I just dumped. Here's a continuation. We pulled into a 15-minute with a... Yeah, all we had was this 2-minute inverse to the downside. Kind of a weird day, but down 761. I'm not going to edit this little bit out. Okay, so go to the 4-hour. I don't have a daily time frame on here. 4-hour, I mean, I can't see to the left, but we're kind of shifting market structure. We didn't close above this change state of direction. The down close candles, the bodies, if we closed above that, like right here, it's not a confirmation, but an indication we could switch directions in the way we're going. We did inverse all these 15s in this leg, so we don't have an hourly. We do have a little hourly here. So if we got a pullback into this hourly gap, I would 100% look for longs out of. We do have that open low here. Okay, so ES might have taken this low, hit this gap. I don't know. I can't check ES on this chart. It honestly looks like it probably did. So I would take this 4-minute inversion to the upside. Just because, just super V-shape, stop would be right here. Buy side targets would definitely be these two relative equal highs right here. Just obvious draws. Right there, it's a 0.8. So I would just move my stop here, so it's just exact 1-to-1. We're just getting about 22 points. Didn't hit there. Oh. No way. Okay, there we go. Okay, so there we go. Break even. It made like equal highs, so that's why I didn't take any other trade. Skip to the other day. I'm assuming NQ had made a S&T at that gap. That's why I took that. Okay. Pretty volatile pre-market. Okay, so 4-hour time frame. Okay, there we go. We got that change in state of direction. We got that close above this 4-hour body. We did pull into this 4-hour order block. 1-hour time frame. Right now we're inside of this 1-hour gap. I don't really want to mark this out, but we're inside of this 1-hour gap. Clean longs off market open, to be honest with you. I'm just going to skip towards that. Okay, so there's that market open. So ideally, we sweep out this intermediate low here. Otherwise, unless we create a 5-minute to sweep out this LR, we have multiple stacked highs. We have this high and this high right here. There are also highs inside of this 4-hour gap. So if we could get a 5-minute continuation, see, this is where I don't know. See, there could be an SMT here. That's the problem. And when you get a V shape like that, most likely there was. So I am going to take this. That's why it's hard. I'm not using actual backtesting software, but stop at the SMT low. Hold till these highs. Risking about 19 points. Okay, break even would be right here. So I'd be break even. You could partial here, but you do have a bunch of LRs sitting at these all these stacked highs here. So, okay, there we go. Full TP. One and done for the day. Price will probably chop. Yeah, see? That's why you're just one and done. And then price probably stopped you out and ran higher. Yeah. Okay. Holy chop. What the fuck? Oh, there must have been a gap. Weird. Oh, I think it just timed me out. Okay, well, 50% win rate. I took one loss. I don't know what that's about, but alright, I just want to see how much time I have recorded on here. I don't even know. Oops. Okay. Oh my god, I'm not doing this. What the fuck? 3? No. Hold on. I'm gonna stop recording and I gotta switch to a different session. I'm not trading in fucking 2001. I bet that was quick. All I had to click was home, but alright. Alrighty. Fuck, I think I fucked up. Oh, I did fuck up. Okay, well, I wouldn't have even had a trade here, but market opened with this super bullish candle right here on the 5-minute time frame. 4 hour, we just swept out these stacked lows inside of this gap. So, really good indication. If we displace off this, we are going to go higher, which we had clear displacement. So, we didn't even really open low off the close, but pre-market, we already swept that. Go to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so this kind of would be my condition. So, we're opening higher. Let's see if I can get this. Yep. Opening higher. We have this 1 hour gap here. Whoa. This 1 hour gap, and then this other one below. Right here. So I would kind of see how we displace out of this 5-minute that we created. And maybe at 10 a.m., well, not maybe, but at 10 a.m., the new 15-minute candle gets created. So 9:45, depends where we open. The candle will either open low or not even open low, open high, and then close. So that'd be, yes, right there. So we're about to make that 15-minute candle, or 15-minute. Okay, so we got this 15-minute here. And that's 10 a.m., so we closed bullish on that. We did sweep out this high, but with this sweep of this 4-hour low inside of the gap, and we closed above the hourly, it looks insanely good for longs. So, see if we can get a pullback targeting all this LR here. We have triple stacked highs. Okay, well, we might have had an SMT at this, inside of this gap with ES, but I can never, I don't know. That's the problem, because I can't look at ES. There is a gap here. I am going to try it because there could be an SMT. I'll just go lighter size. I would target this high and then these. I'm going to be pissed if I didn't go heavier size. And we have this. It would be a really quick break even anyways. Okay, I'd be break even here. So risk free. Okay, well. That, you can't count that. You can't count that. Okay, there's the top of the gap. Now, useful size. Okay, so we have, let's see if we make this 3-minute. Okay, it looks like we just made that 3-minute. Okay, right there I'd be in. Stop at this low. Stop would be, yeah, right here. Full size on here. Definitely would partial at this high and then leave a runner to these relative equal highs. 1000%. Okay. So that would be a partial there. And then full TP there. Oh, I didn't even fucking take the trade. God damn it. I'm so dumb, bro. Alright, that was a 1-3 on that. God, bro, I'm so dumb. I thought I clicked buy. I don't know what I did. Okay. So, right now... Okay. Right now, we swept out all these lows just from yesterday's session. We didn't make a 4-hour here. I'm assuming we have an hourly sitting in this gap. We do have an hourly way down here. Don't need that. I would just look for a rebalance of this range, maybe taking out these lows, these intermediate lows inside of this gap. Or if we get an instant reaction off these lows, I I mean, I wouldn't mind a long out of that. I mean, we'll see here. Okay, well, I'm assuming we probably made SMT with that, but this would be against my rules to take. I mean, sometimes I do take it, but like something like this with that close, we did take out that internal high right there. So I wouldn't love this, but just targeting 1-to-1 on stuff like this, or even with this buying momentum, you could even tighten your stop, like right here, but yeah, so that would have banged. I'm going to look for something else. Possibly a 5-minute pullback. We just had that 5-minute retrace after taking out that high. See if we pull back into this 5-minute that we just made. Okay, there's that pullback into the 5-minute. Clean displacement. We have a 2-minute here. We'd have those clean highs to the left. Yeah, this would be a clean long. We're obviously displacing higher. We had that 5-minute gap here. 2-minute inverse. Sorry. 2-minute inverse here. And then these clear highs above. Stop at this low. Okay, I'll be out there. That pisses me off. I didn't get in on the fucking last trade, but... Ooh, was that a 15-minute pullback? Ooh. Oh, no, we inverse that 5. Probably go higher, but... Yeah, chop. Okay. Well, I'm evened out with the fucking last trade. That was some bullshit. I don't know why I didn't get entered. That was a 1-3, too. Would have been, like... Up, like, 1,500. Okay. Right now, we inverse that 4-hour gap. We do have these lows. I mean, right now, yeah, I mean, it's hard to be bullish or bearish here. We have this 1-hour gap we could be pulling back into. And we also just closed below these up close candles before we broke below. So this is a change in state of direction right here. So usually when price does this, we'll close below it and then we'll pull back into this 1 hour. So like this would be a good draw on liquidity for shorts, this gap. So honestly, I'll see if we can get that. Because we are clearly displacing lower. I mean, we do have these stacked highs above. But, well, what the fuck? I need to get rid of those. I don't know what's what. I think this is the one. Okay. Hopefully we open high into that. Okay, so we just opened high into this 1 hour gap before hitting this bottom hourly. Hopefully ES didn't already take out this gap, which is an insanely strong draw on liquidity. So we pull back into this hourly. Oh, wait, no, we didn't even make the hourly yet. I'm fucking dumb. We pulled into this 15. We'll see how we displace here. I don't want to take anything too... Okay, so we inverse this. We opened high into this 15 minute. I'm going to skip out on this 2 minute. Ooh. Okay, good. It would have been break even anyways, so maybe we want to resweep those highs. Now we're inside of this hourly gap. Okay, so there might have been an SMT here. That's why. Or price just decided to be bullish. We did pull into, not quite, stop 15 minute. Yeah, so we swept into this top 15 minute. See if we make any 5-minute moves here. pulled into this 1 minute or 5 minute, top 5 minute. See how we react. Yeah, kind of choppy here. Okay, this could be a really good continuation. Assuming there's an SMT at this 1 hour gap below, which there quite possibly could. So we tapped in this hourly gap below in a discounted price range, and we're having clear momentum up strong. You can see on the 5 minute, and then this 10 a.m. open right here, it opened low into this discounted 5 minute, and then we instantly made a 5 minute inverse out of this. So this would be a literal A+ setup. Stop below these body candles. I mean, shit, you could target all these highs. I would definitely partial almost all my profits at this high, but this shit could run. Or I'm completely wrong. Okay, so I would take most profits there. I don't know how. And I would leave some run. I don't know how to go. Bruh. Okay, well, if you're watching, you know. But, so yeah, I lost. I don't even know. I think I had I'd say like 85% win rate on this. Probably, if you didn't count the 2 I didn't enter, I probably had like a 60. But, yeah, that's that. I got to do stuff tonight, so I'm kind of got to head out. But, yeah, I just wanted to do some back testing for you guys, and hopefully people watch this. But, yeah, if you're this far, I'm going to link my Discord in the description. It is going to be free until I'm going to do 1 more week free of live trading. And then after next week, which is, I don't even know, it would be 7 days from now. So it would be the 28th. So till the 27th, I will be doing live trading. And then the following week will be, I haven't figured out a complete price yet for it, but probably $40, $50 a month. And then I'll be doing requested videos and obviously live trading, answering questions, and anything anybody else wants. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this, but subscribe.